The aircraft carriers of the Indian Navy. INS Vikramaditya, the flagship of the Indian Navy based in Karwar, Karnataka, capable of operating MiG-29 fighter jets and helicopters. This largest platform of the Indian Navy, called as Floating City, safeguarding our country's maritime boundaries, commissioned on 14th June 2014. INS Vikrant, our country's indigenous aircraft carrier, built by Cochin Shipyard, commissioned on 2nd September 2022, can accommodate 26 fighter jets and 10 helicopters. Both Vikrant and Vikramaditya, securing our country's 7,516 kilometers long coastline, enables Indian Navy acting as a net security provider in the Indian Ocean region.